Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. By the name of Chen Elizabeth. I've come to present to you on the introduction or on how to present PowerPoint using master slide. So on how to use PowerPoint presentation using master slide, you come to new, then you create what? When you open PowerPoint, you'll find that there is one slide that is created, and maybe you don't like that slide. You can delete it off. This one, you delete slide, delete it. And now you come to new slide, you look for title and content. So our title will be nutrition. 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 Then you say by, you introduce yourself by Usigng Elizabeth. Then you can tell us your Gmail if you want us to know. Please, Usigng at Gmail. Gmail.com. Then you can tell us maybe you're doing bachelor in medicine. Then that is about me. Then you can come here, then you say title and then content. You use title and content. So we're going to start with the outlines. You should put outline first. So the outline, number one should be introduction. You can put definition. You can say importance. Cause of poor nutrition. Nutrition. Cause of poor nutrition. Then you can say how to get good nutrition. Then you can now say conclusion. So each of these topics we are going to talk about them. So number one will be definition. Introduction has already been done. So we are going to definition. So the definition we shall create for it a new slide. So we can write definition. The definition, you can define it. Remember, this is PowerPoint. You don't need to put paragraphs. You have to put on the outlines. So we are going to put balanced diet. Definition, balanced diet. Correct amount. Amount, quantity, correct quantity, and then also you come to the next slide, which is talking about importance of nutrition. So we all know the importance of nutrition is good body growth, let me say development, importance of another nutrition is strong development. Let us say strong development muscles, and talk about good health. So those are the importance also. Then we come and create another styles of causes of poor nutrition. Causes of poor nutrition. So what is here? We put cause of poor nutrition. So number 1 causes is shortage of food. Lack of money. Lack of money. We also have poor diet. Poor diet. And we can come and put another slide for how to get good nutrition. How to get good nutrition. Get good nutrition. So you come here, eating balanced diet, eating balanced diet, right amount of food, right quality, right quality. So that's how to get good nutrition. Now go to conclusion. Set another new slide, then say conclusion. Conclusion. So you can say thanks. So I'm going to take you through on how to use master slide. If you want to use master slide to create your videos. So in master slide we have what is called view, master slide. So you come to view, then you come to slide master. So in slide master you have to go back to the first slide. This is the first slide. Then you come and apply themes. If you want to apply this type, you apply it, then you close. You can see all our slides are having the same thing. Come back to view again, to view. Then you come to slide master. Then you come back again to the first slide. Then you can apply the effects. All these are effects. You can apply the front style you want to apply. Like for example, you want area. You can apply here, you close. You can see it's being applied to all of them. Then another one is you come back to view, you look for slide master. So you can apply the background. If you want to put the background style, you can put black or white, any of the colors that you want to put. You can also increase the size of your slide or reduce it. Then now for us, we want to insert transition. So transition, we look for a suitable transition. For example, me, I want to use split random bars, which is this one. Then I also set the time of it to be applied. I use it after, then I remove click mouse. Then I put the time interval that I want it to be, assuming 5 seconds. Let me say 6 seconds. Then I can say apply. So you come back to, so after applying to all, you come back to slide master, then you close. You can see all our slides are having the transition. All our slides are having the transition. The same to animation. You come to view, come to slide master, then come back to the first slide, which is this one. Then you apply the animation you want. You come to the title here. You can say fly here. Then even the body, you put fly in. Then you come back to, then you say apply to all. Then you come back to slide master. Then you close it. So all our work is having the animation. So from here, you can also come back to slide master, come to view, then you look for slide master. Then you can also insert layouts, the way you want to arrange your work, how it wants to appear. You can also do that. So afterwards, you can come back to your work. You close the slide master. You come back to your work. You come to slideshow. Then you say from the beginning. You can see our work how it's appearing. So this is our slideshow.
20 minutes. Okay.
Our slideshow. So then you can now press escape. Escape. So this is our presentation, how it's flowing, how to get good nutrition. So that is our conclusion. Then you press escape. So your work will come back like this. So thank you for following my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and follow for me. And don't forget to save your work. You come to save as, then you browse. So after browsing, you can save it in PowerPoint present. You can save in nutrition maybe 5, nutrition 5. Then you save the type of presentation where you want to save in 9702. Then you can now save your work. don't forget to save it in documents or another place or desktop, but I've chosen the document, then you save it, so your work will be saved. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe my video.